Hello, and thank you for using this tutorial. Today we're going to be telling you about how to use the Climate Smart Farming Apple Stage Freeze Damage Probability tool, which is a part of the climatesmartfarming.org suite of agricultural decision tools. This tool can be used to track the minimum temperature versus the 10%, 50%, and 90% damage temperature for a variety of apples that commonly grow in the northeastern United States. When entering the tool webpage, you'll see this display right here that you're looking at in the tutorial video. My cursor right now is clicking on June 15th, 2017 to give an idea of what it might be to look at a specific date for the tool. However, if you want to get customizable date information and location information for your different apple varieties, you'll use this tool to change your location, date of interest, and select an apple variety using the left-hand toolbar. The first thing you'd like to do with the tool is change your location. You change your location by clicking on this box right here, bringing up the map dialog box in the middle. You can change your location by either entering your county, state, zip code, or a specific address, or by scrolling around the map and clicking to set a pin. When you set a pin, the pin will be yellow. If you click Save up here, the pin will save to blue, and you can use that pin at a later date and keep selecting new locations. However, if you want to go straight to this location we've selected in northern New York, you can click Save and Select, and the tool will automatically update for this location. As you can see, it might take a few seconds to update the graph on the right. However, this is commonplace and it should not take an inordinate amount of time. However, what we're going to do is we're going to select a location using a zip code. We're going to put in 14850 for Ithaca, New York, and clicking Go, and then we'll choose Save and Select, so the tool will load for this 14850 Ithaca, New York zip code. You can also put a specific address, and like I mentioned before, you can put multiple different addresses that you can save and then revisit later. The next thing we want to select on our toolbar on the left is our date of interest. You can select this by clicking the small calendar, bringing up a larger green calendar, and choosing your date of interest on the left. With any pop-up box that you see, it has these green corners in the left and the right to exit from the boxes. So we're going to select here March 15th from the calendar, and on the right our toolbox will automatically update. You can also select the date of interest manually by entering it with your keyboard in the format shown below. 2017-03-15 for March 15th, 2017, and clicking Enter will automatically update the graph on the right. The final selection you'll make to make the tool complete is choose your apple variety, whether it be Empire, Macintosh, or Red Delicious. The tool will automatically update, maybe taking a few seconds, but once this is complete, you'll have all the information you need to make decisions based on minimum temperature and damage probability for your type of apple. One more thing to note with this tool is that we're currently looking at the 30-day range with the date we selected in the very middle. During the growing season, this tool will have a 6-day forecast at the end of it that shows the damage probability and freeze risk. Finally, you can click between full season, which brings up the entire growing season up until the date we've had now, from September to July, and we can toggle back to 30-day trend. So this is how to use the Climate Smart Farming Apple Stage and Freeze Damage Probability tool. If you like directions that are written out, you can scroll below the tool. These will eventually be integrated into a customizable pop-up window that you can have alongside the tool as you use it. And we also are looking for your feedback on how this tool works. If you would please take the brief survey highlighted right here, we'd greatly appreciate it. Thank you very much for using our tool, and let us know if you have any questions.